you'll take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You be the prince, then I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're going to be doing how to play Love Story by Taylor Swift, just how she plays it, alright? But we're going to be using C, okay? So you have our capo on fret number 2 and we're playing basic chords. And if you're not familiar with those, check out my chord video, it's in the description. Otherwise, let's get right into it. So the intro, let me just check if the camera is on, because I kept switching it off and on, so I just need to, okay, I just needed to confirm. Yeah, so the intro is basically, you have, so this is, so for C, we're using strings 5, 4, 3, 2, and for this intro, it's going to be 5, so this is 5, 3, and then you go to 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, okay? So here on string on 1, which is string number 2, we're going to be playing, okay, so this is 3, 1, 3, 1 on your B string. And then you go, so you have your bass, string number 1. Let me try to put this a little bit closer, right? So you have C. And then you go to an F. And this time our bass is string number 4. And then we go to an A minor. And then we go to F again. But this time we're using the bass as the 6th string, alright? So that's your intro. I did a tutorial on how to play this in D, which is the original pitch that the song was written in. But anyways, let's get right into the verse. Back with me in summer. Okay, so we have see the lights, that's a C. And then we have an F, I'm plucking 6, 4, 3. And then A minor. And then G. Okay, so for G, I'm plucking 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3, 2. So we have C, which is 5, 4, 3, 2. Na, 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 na. And then we go to F. Na, 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 na. And then we have an A minor. Na, 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 na. Back on F. So F is 6, 4, 3. And then A minor and C are the same, alright, in terms of the strings that you're plucking. And then we go to pebbles in my day to say. Let's do that bridge together, okay? So we have little did I know, oh. And then if me on you were throwing to G, and then A minor, C again. And she was crying on the staircase, begging me please don't go. And I said, okay, let me give you the chords for that. So we have F to G, and my daddy said A minor, C. And he was crying again, F, and then G, and then we go to A minor, G, and then C. This is now the chorus. Somewhere we can be alone to G, A minor, and I'll be the princess. If story, baby, just say G to close, and then you start over. And then this verse is the same as the first verse, and then the chorus is the same as, you know, the chorus, and the pre-chorus is the same. But then we have a bridge, and then we're gonna have a chord change. So let's get into that. All right. I get tired of waiting. This is A minor to if, wondering if you were, and then C major to G. My faith in you is fading. I skirt to town and I say, I've been feeling so alone. For you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know how to think. He nailed to the ground and rolled out a ring. And then we're now on D. Never be alone. I love you. A major. And then this is a B7, D7, D7 over B minor, and then G. Back to A minor, or back to A major. And these chords are again in my chord video. It's in the description. And this is basically how you play it actually on the original song. You play it in D, alright? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.